It's your boy CeeLo back with another video from Smoking Metal Car Fun. This video is about my lights that's in my grill at the present moment in time. This is what the setup looks like before I put my RGB halo kits in. So let's let y'all see. It's just really one strip just like this at the top, and I do have a underglow strip underneath. The way I have it set up is a little bit short, so one side just glows a little bit more on the outside. But yeah, that's what she looks like. But her night glow won't change. So let me take care of this and I'm gonna get right back to y'all on the hot side. Definitely a big difference from them regular old blue ones. Now I'm gonna upload my thing to the RGB app to my other phone, so that way I can show y'all the change in colors. But other than that, it looks good. Definitely looks good. And I got more to come. So this is basically a test. See how it would look. And I think it came out great. I know y'all see the wires back there right now, but that's because I really ain't hung them up. I just wanted to see how it would look. So I'll get back to y'all with, and see, that's how it looks when the light hit it with my reflector on it, because that's reflector vinyl on the grill reflecting off of it. So off the light. So once again, it's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun. Out here, nice day. Told y'all, weather break. Gonna get back at it. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, smash that notification bell so y'all get all upcoming content that I do put out, because it's getting ready to go down.